Actually, what's happening in DXN is not overnight, you know. It built over a span of 20 over years. And even before that, in the mid 80s, we started to prepare this DXN. Many people, they keep on asking me why you go for this multi-level marketing, because MLM do not have very good name, so maybe it's the what they call, the image not that good. I'm telling them, MLM is just a tool. The tool by itself, you cannot say this tool is good or this tool is bad. It's the person who apply the tools, make it good or make it bad. Just like a knife. A knife itself, you cannot say it's good or bad, but the hand that holding the knife will determine whether this knife is useful. So if you go and prepare sushi, it's a good knife. You go and rob the people, it become a bad knife. So MLM by itself, there's no good, there's no bad. It's just a tools. Okay, but that's why I spent some time to explain that DXN, we are a real company. Then we are a good company. With the word of DXN mean morality and trustworthy. So that we are a good company, we are a trustworthy company. So when MLM in our hand, we become a good tools. Okay, and then we can make our customer, turn our customer into our distributor. Then we distribute like wildfire, like mushroom, you know, for the first 23 years. Then we build it again and again. This is how it began. This is how the DXNs began. Until today, DXN became very successful. We are the top 25th company, and we are the largest MLM company in Malaysia also. So many people asking me, okay, how DXN can be so successful, okay? And you see here we have a huge setup of factory, a huge networking. We have more than 5 million people. What is the secret of success? Actually, the secret is very simple, okay? We have good products, we have good system, and we are honest. We do not cheat, you know. This makes the thing is very simple. When two companies competed in the market, you know, okay, you do not need to go for astrologer, you do not need pendulum to see which one will win the market. Okay, whoever have the competitive edge will win the market, whoever who is honest will win the market. So DXN, we have our own technology, okay, we have our own these products, and we have the competitive edge. When we compete with other company, okay, because we are the producer, they are not the producer, so that we will be our pricings wise, we are more comfortable than them. Okay, we are more competitive than them. Sometimes they are the producer, we are the producer, but we have special technology. You see, we produce many products, is first of its kind. Our RGGL, okay, our Lindsay coffee. Now every big MLM company, they also selling Lindsay coffee, all pointed to DXN, you know. Okay, then we also have this spirulina technology. In tropical place like this, we can mass produce spirulina, and we can also produce this enzyme drink, the food drink with a preservative. Okay, and we can also produce this fruit juice, many this toiletry, all these things, all using our own technology. Then we have this competitive edge. When we have a competitive edge, we run this business honestly, and people have trust in us, then we expand. We expand and expand and expand, that's all. Yeah, this is the secret of DXN. Successful, yeah. You see, when you look at the MLM company, first thing first, there are two categories, okay? One is the trader, one is the one who have their own product. Okay, so I think 90% of the MLM company, they're trading. They buy the OEM, they buy and sell. These are company, they are not stable. But anytime they can change, they can stop. Then we are the real, what they call, manufacturing company. Okay. Now, when it comes to the manufacturing MLM company, there's also two categories. One is with their own technology, one is without technology. For DXN, we are a very stable company because we have all the technology, an in-house technology. Okay, so we have the technology to produce Ganoderma, we have the technology to produce this spirulina, the enzyme juice, even our cosmetic, our toiletry, all within our own technology. So in a sense that DXN, we are the real MLM company. Okay, so that the process is the whole company is very stable. We produce our own production, our own produce, our own manufacturing, our own distribution. There's one whole process. Not only that, okay, because my background is engineer. That's why we practice this engineering concept. For example, we have a code of marketing. Every country we apply the same code. Basically, this is engineering concept. Okay, so this ended in one world, one market. All the country, all the continent, they apply the same marketing plan. That make DXN very, very different from other MLM company. Okay, so in a sense that we have our own technology, we have our own product, we have our own code of marketing, everything on our own in-house. Okay, in a sense, DXN will be very stable. Okay, for the past 23 years, for 3 times, no, in the Southeast Asia, we are facing the economic crisis. Even in the early day, in the late 80s, then the time DXN we started in 1993, the economic crisis just over. Then we have in this 1997, it's very serious. Then after that, we have this 2008. Now recently, so another crisis. But you will see that in crisis, DXN expand very fast, no, because the crisis will not affect us. We are so stable that it will no way. This like recently the ringgit has been plummeted from 3.2, 3.3 ringgit. Now is depreciated to 4.4, but it will not affect us at all, not at all, because everything is done by our own. Okay, so we pay the salary by ringgit. We pay everything by ringgit, so the blanket up and down, it doesn't affect us. So in a sense, what I try to explain to you is that DXN, we are the real company, so we are a stable company. It's happening somewhere around 1990 and 2000. 1990 and 2000, you know, in Southeast Asia here, the economy breakdown. Okay. That times Indonesia turned to riot, you know, turned into riot. The people burning the shop, burning the factories, and when the crowd are burning, no, when come near to this DXN office, our member, thousands of them go there and stop them in between. Then after that, I went back to Indonesia. The time nobody go to Indonesia, no, I'm in the aeroplane, only 3 persons. In this thing, and the air hostess are more than the passenger, so the 2 of them come and chatting with us. Actually, it's very, very good trip, it's very memorable. And I'm telling the Indonesian member, okay, by all means, DXN come here to stay. We will not run away. Whether the rupiah is up or down, or better people burning the houses, different business houses. DXN, one, we started the course, no, there's no return. We keep on walking, you know. Whether the route is difficult, the route is easy, whether the route is safe, the route is dangerous, we never care. We go ahead. Then from that on, all the MLM companies stop, you know, except DXN operating, because the time the currency keep on dropping, you know, and many MLM company, they increase the price by week, you know. Every week, not every month, they increase the price and eventually they stop. And DXN is the only company that operating. So we become like a refugee camp, you know, refugee camp. Oh, people keep on coming in, you know. They queue up until the roadside, you know, to join DXN. That time, 1 month, we can get 30,000 to 50,000 people join DXN. I feel very proud. Eventually, we become successful in Indonesia, and from there, Indonesia, we spread throughout the whole world. Okay, that times we have a meeting of 15,000 people. Our Thai people coming in, people from India, people from Philippines. They see that, wow, this is a good meeting, a big gathering. So they have confidence, and then they go back. Then the business, the market in Philippines is booming. The market in India is booming. In Thailand also booming. Then later on, we spread throughout the whole world. So that incident is very proud to us, because even though we are facing so much challenges, difficulty, we still carry on as it is. You see, DXN is a long established company. Any good company must fulfill the social responsibility. Okay, so DXN also without any exception. Okay, so for the past many years we have done a lot of charity. So we have given out ambulances to this thing. We also donated this dialysis machine so that when there is a typhoon, calamity, let's say in Philippines, recently in Nepal, so we go for one-to-one donation. Member donate $1, we also give out $1. Okay. Then this, other than this, the most important thing is that there are so many children, unfortunate children in the world, they have malnutrition. So when they have malnutrition, then for example in Pakistan, then where they have this night visions problem, so they have night blindness, at night they cannot see anything. That is serious. If do not treated, then they will become full blind. Then their life will be wasted. Their life will be influenced. Okay, so we donate the product to them. Our GGL, we donate this spirulina in Pakistan, in India, even in Africa. We do this quietly. We do not do a lot of